My original idea was for Python to be sort of in between shell scripts and C programming. I had this vision of people, sort of kids learning Python in school, which at the time looked pretty far-fetched because there weren't even that many computers in most schools. You can show someone, here are the basics of Python, and if they know a bit of programming in another language, they'll see, oh wow, this is very simple, this is very easy, I can understand this already. If you teach them Python instead of Pascal, they can focus more on that learning experience and less on where the semicolons do or don't go. The sort of areas where Python is used most is, on the one hand, sort of web application development, tooling, like the internal tooling we use at Google. There's a lot of that in Dropbox too, and sort of, again, Facebook. Instagram, the Instagram service is written in Python. There are many other ways that Python is used where it's either an alternative to Java or Go, or it's a tool all by itself. Scientists use it to drive incredibly powerful libraries. That world has grown bigger and bigger, and now we have like a lot of data science happening in Python. The fact that Python is easily extensible with code written in other languages. So Python is a great glue language. I cannot emphasize enough that the community did it. It is such a great place. There are so many people contributing, and yes, we also argue. I learned so much from just listening to other people explain why a certain thing cannot work or why we should do a certain other thing, and I enjoy the debate. If you name it Python, it could arguably be named after a snake. I named it after Monty Python, but I took it from Monty Python, and it was like easy to type, not too many letters, not too many consonants next to each other, easy to pronounce. I'm very happy that the community takes care of all these things that I couldn't possibly do all by myself.